To relief grind, first unlock the slip clutch. And disengage the grinding head. Remove the spin grinding stone. Mount the indexer. Loosen the indexing collar and rotate the indexer out of the way. Then mount the relief grinding stone. To set the relief angle, feed the grinding head up until the stone just touches two blades. Then back it off 1 to 2 turns for a small reel or up to 4 turns for a large reel. Move the grinding head off the left end of the reel blade and rotate the indexer up. Position the indexer so that the reel blade goes between the blade stop and the indexing stop. With the blade against the grinding wheel, squeeze the blade stop against the blade and then tighten the collar. Loosen the 2 screws which clamp the blade stop. Again, squeeze the blade stop against the blade and retighten the screws. If the blade doesn't catch the indexing stop when you rotate it, adjust the front indexer stop until the indexer catches the blade. Rotate the blade so it catches the indexer stop and rides on both the indexer stop and the blade stop. Adjust the rear indexer stop in short, quick turns until it just touches the blade. Move the grinding head back and forth to make sure that the indexer works properly and clears the spiders. To set the travel stops, move the grinding head to the right end of the reel so that the grinding wheel goes off the end but the blade stop does not. Set the right lever down and the left lever up, then set the top stop. Hold the bar to the right to set the bottom stop. Move the grinding head to the left end of the reel so the blade stop is off the end of the reel but the indexer stop stays on the reel. Set the top carriage travel stop against the top lever. Feed the grinding head up at the left end of the reel until the grinding stone just touches the blade. Then move the grinding head to the right end of the reel and check to see if you have the same contact or scratching on the right end. If you don't, loosen the bolt on the top of the right fence post. Rotate the post back and forth until you achieve the same contact on both ends of the reel. Then lock the bolt on the top of the fence post. Close the front shield, set the reel drive speed to 0, and then turn the reel drive motor on. Set the reel drive speed to between 100 and 150 RPM so that the reel turns slowly and smoothly. Move the grinding head back and forth to check that the indexer is working properly and that the travel stops are correctly set. Engage the drive cylinder. Turn the grinding motor on, then turn the carriage drive on, and infeed the grinding wheel to get the desired relief. When completed, turn the main power off.